Hi guys, make my niece's hair with me. So this girl brought an old attachment for me to use it and help her ministry. So guys, at this point I don't have any option than to help her, so I have to comb the old attachment after which to start the making of the hair process. So guys, this is me doing what I know how to do best as an expert, like as a professional that I am. I started to do this type of curly hair for her because I know that the attachment will not look good in any other style aside from this. So I have to bring in my expertise, guys. So guys, this is me making the hair step by step, and the hair was going on well and she was already feeling herself. She don't even know if the hair is good or not, but because she trusts the process and she trusts the hairstylist, that's why she's. And as you can see, she don't really have front hair like that, so I really have to take my time to braid the hair in a way that will please the Lord. So guys, this is me doing what I know how to do. So this is me when I go to the front hair. I really have to take my time because her hair is so soft and I don't want it to ruin her front hair, even though her front hair is already ruined. But I still have to apply expertise and professionalism in making the hair. So as I was making the hair for her, she was gisting me and she was all happy because she's gonna slay with the hair this season. So guys, when I was done with this point, she was already playing what with other smaller children around. As you can see how I cut the hair, and the hair is looking so beautiful. So guys, at this point we want to now start coiling the hair. So I have to first of all brush out the hair before I start tying it with rope, so I can coil the hair just the way it should be. So guys, this is me tying the rope so that I can coil the hair. So I was just doing it bit by bit so that you can learn, because this is a tutorial for you to learn how to coil your hair. Do it yourself in the comfort of your home without spending a dime. So I have to draw the rope at like so. So when I was done drawing the rope, the next stage was for me to tie the rope and lock it up so that it doesn't open up. But at this point I now have to go in with this part because I was doing it part by part so that it can give me the kind of curl I want. Since it's an old attachment, I really want the curls to come out well and perfect. So guys, this is the last part of it. So at the point I have to now do the other part that I brought out because I needed to do a mermaid braid, but it seems the mermaid braid is not going to mermaid the way it should be. So I have to now do this final part. When I was done with this part, I have to lock it up like I did in the other part. Then I have to now cut the excess rope. Then guys, the next stage was for me to dip it into a very hot water. As I finished dipping it into the hot water, guys, this is the final look. So guys, this is the final look after about 6 days or 7 days, about a week. So by then the hair has loosened up a bit, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.